Connect your USB Type-C phone, tablet, laptop, or other device to devices equipped with the standard USB Type-A connector. This USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible cable features a USB Type-C connector on one end and a legacy Type-A connector on the other end. It can deliver up to 3 amps of charging power and has 10 gigabits per second data bandwidth. Use for laptops, desktops, USB-C chargers, power banks. Data transfer rate, SuperSpeed plus USB 3.1, 10 gigabits per second. Maximum power, 3 amps. Fast charging. The cable can deliver up to 3 amps of charging power, providing for fast charging of phones, tablets, and other mobile devices. SuperSpeed Plus. Transfer music, photos, video, or data to and from a USB-C equipped laptop at speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. Reversible design. The reversible Type-C connector is always properly oriented, eliminating a common source of frustration from trying to plug in improperly oriented Type-A connectors. Top reviews from the United States. Works well with Pixel 3 XL. Charges without any technical issues, though not fast charge. Have not had a chance to use for rapid data transfer yet.